Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn out for the best. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, it's something you've forgotten. You lost to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life. Life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. Must always face a curtain with a bow. Forget about your sin, give the audience a grin. Roy, it's your last chance anyhow. Ain't always look on the bright side of death. Just before you draw your terminal breath. Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and dance, a joke, it's true. You'll see it's all a show, keep on in you go. Remember that the last laugh is on you. Ain't always look on the bright side of life. Always look on